Mommy?
Yes, Joe?
Let me tell you something. After the incident with the students the other day, Bomba and I have come to a conclusion that we'll divert to selling snails. Congo meat.
Can you imagine that yesterday I wanted to buy Congo meat and that little girl gave me 4 small pieces for 100 francs? But something you can just go into the forest and pick.
Joe, boy.
Auntie.
It seems as if these days almost everyone eats snails.
That's true.
Maybe I could also cook some of the snails and sell as well.
Being able to go to the forest and pick something freely from nature and sell, to me it sounds like good business. Sounds like good business.
I think Angel Man should join us in the forest this evening to pick some snails. Like, what do you think?
You're right.
But that's not too hard now.
No.
Good afternoon.
Nyanga, my son, good afternoon.
Grandfriend.
Yes?
Why the smile on your face?
Well, I got a call from Bida.
Uh-huh.
So he informed me about this job opportunity. And he promised coming over to the house. So I came to put my documents together.
Nyanga, my son.
Yes, mommy.
I pray you have this job. And I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
Joe and
Yes,
Boy.
Auntie.
I equally wish people good luck with your snails business.
Oh, thank you very much.
Alright.
Bomboy,
Yeah.
let's go ahead. I don't want to think about the boy moving that every day.
What now?
Drop.
Joe.
This is too dark here. I can't see anything.
Let's go further. We need to look for the best place that we can see those snails.
We have been searching for 2 hours now. I will not be able to fill this bucket.
Bomboy, stop complaining behind me.
Brenda.
Yeah.
Did you take away paper from this table today?
I didn't see any paper on the table. I can't see anything.
See, Angel Man, if you want to go home, go home.
Joe, let's go home now. Most people are biting me already. Let's go back to the house.
No, let's go further. We'll still pick more. We'll pick more. Let's go further.
You have not picked anything, but you say we'll pick more. You want to do magic?
Am I not searching? Okay, let's go that way.
No, let's go to the house. I'm tired.
Bomboy, hurry up.
Wait.
That paper is the document for the job interview Bida told me about.
No, I don't see anything.
Papa,
Yes?
did you take away any paper from this table this afternoon?
No. I saw papers on top of the table this afternoon, but I did not touch them.
But together, that sounded like it. They went to the forest to pick snails.
Now come back and look at the leg now. Where?
What were you doing in the forest at night?
No, Joe, it's instead of you go and look for snails for him to sell.
The snake that bit her is not poisonous,
Oh, thank God.
but only the pains will persist for a while. Don't worry.
Okay, I'm glad to hear that anyway. Before you came in, I was looking for my application form. The paper I kept on this table just this afternoon.
Application form.
Yes, for the job interview.
I saw some papers on top of this table, but I thought they were useless, so I used it to block the whole of my snail bucket.
You what?
I
Seriously, Bomboy? Have you ever thought of getting yourself some education so you can stop embarrassing yourself and do something useful in your life?
brother, child.
You shut up and
don't
face.
insult
stay
me.
quiet.
Don't insult me.
Listen, I realize that illiteracy has caused and continues to cause you a lot of problems.
No, but the post already
Hey,
gone.
you shut up and face.
Yes.
Come in.
Oh,
Good evening to everyone.
Good evening.
listen, thank God you are here. You will not believe what happened today. The application form you gave me was used to cover a hole in the bucket for picking of snails. But my crazy cousin here.
Now, calm down. Don't bother yourself. You'll be provided with another application form at the venue of interview.
Really?
I just wanted you to familiarize yourself with the form so that you can better get prepared. So you don't need to be bothered. Besides, what happened to
Unfortunate.
his leg?
Why don't you ask Joe the morning Lord?
Grandmother, as we're searching the forest for snails, that's when a snake did bite his neck. But we're searching for almost 3 hours and we could not even fill a small bucket. And they are blaming for everything.
Yes, it's
Well, you know, a lot of people eat snails
It's not poisonous.
nowadays, collected from the forest. And because of the intense activity the snails population is reducing at an alarming rate, which is why you can't eat enough. Besides, what happened to Bislake is one of the dangers of going into the forest to pick snails at night. Snail selling is very lucrative. We all know that. But you can still grow snails at home. With innovation nowadays, it is possible to domesticate snails.
Domesticate snails.
Exactly.
Like keeping them at home so that they can become a permanent protein source.
Yeah.
Wow.
Actually, I got a friend who does snails domestication. I can take all of you there and you learn more from him.
Then grab me, then you take us to him tomorrow now. So that people stop bringing me this out with that e-law.
It's okay by me. It's okay by me. It's fine by me. I'll take you there tomorrow. But meanwhile, for the meantime, Nyanga, please, just let me know after the interview. Let me know how it goes. I wish you the best.
Okay, thank you very much, my brother.
Okay, Joe and Brenda, here we are in the farms. My friend isn't here, but the mother too is very knowledgeable about snails domestication. Okay, Mama Zama.
You ask questions.
Good evening, Ma.
Good evening. Welcome.
Thank you, Ma.
Welcome. We have the indoor snail farming. Wow. Okay.
But mommy, how do you feed them? Because they look so healthy.
Yeah, very big. We feed them twice in a week. That is every market day. Like soon there will be somebody coming from the market with their feed.
Okay.
We'll go to the market, we'll go to these women who sell pawpaw. We'll get a very ripe pawpaw that the customers cannot buy again. We'll get those ones to pay some small money. Go to women who sell watermelon. We'll get the watermelon that is almost spoiled.
Yeah.
Yes, we'll pay small money, we'll collect that.
Okay.
You cut even bananas, you put there. You put even green bananas, they eat a lot. As you see them like that, you think that they don't eat, they eat so much. If you cut even green banana, you just throw there, they will eat it all. They'll not even allow you to get right before they eat. They eat cassava, plantain, cocoyams, whatever.
Wow. What about the food we prepared in the house? Can we
Give them.
give them?
No, you cannot give them food you prepare in the house because there's salt inside.
Okay.
Yeah, you feed them with salt to kill them.
Yeah.
Then you put them water to drink. You
Water
see
to
the tray
drink?
there, yeah. When they come and they'll give them food, they'll put water inside there.
Wow. What about in a box?
Okay.
Can we preserve them in a box?
Yes. You can use a small box. Just fill it with soil. We put soil to some level, about 1 inch high.
Yeah.
Yes, you put seeds. Because when you want to start raising snails, you don't use these big ones like this. Use very small snails.
But
You have to
because-
be shading the place. That is, you'll be using dry plantain leaves to shade the place. That is where you put the snails. You put a shade. You put the dry plantain leaves over. So they should have some shade under because they naturally they like to lay their egg or to hatch under shaded areas.
So it's very easy to raise them.
It's not very difficult, but we have challenges like I will have problem like ants because when you put them like this, ants kill them so much. If you look at this floor, it's not just mud from down.
Yeah.
Formerly, it was just mud from down. But since ants were killing the snails so much, we had to cement the floor before we put back mud on it. So under like this, the place is cemented to prevent the ants. And since we cemented it, we have really got some success because the ants is not really killing the snails now much again.
Okay. So mommy, what's the lifespan of your snail? The snail, so we can know how much time we can keep them there.
Actually, when you put snails like that is from 2 months, within 6-7 months you start harvesting the snails.
Yeah.
And after 1 year, it's better to to harvest all, because when you overkeep them again, they'll be dying.
Okay, mommy.
You can sell them.
We harvest them almost every day and sell. These big ones, we harvest them and sell. When we have like customers come and they say they want a kilogram of snails, they want 2 kilograms of snails, so we come inside, we select the big ones to harvest. We wash, because most often the customers around, they prefer washed snails, so we wash the snails, weigh them in kilos, and they buy. Any more questions you can pass around any other time.
As long as your son is our friend.
Yes.
And then, thank you, yeah.
Oh, you're
Brenda,
welcome.
you look for that money. If we want to give the money for
If you
this.
call my name, I'll give you a punch. I'm not happy to get this. You don't have eggs?
Hello, Amino.
Ah, Bida, welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, Brenda. Nipa bag.
Mommy, that's
Joe Black, good afternoon.
Hi.
So, tell me, how was it at the snail farm?
Mommy, we just discovered that domesticating snails is very easy. So we want to start with it.
Mommy,
Yes, Joe.
we just need to build some boxes beside the house. And confine the snails and feed them with food remains.
Okay.
It is easy and there's not so much work in it. So
Yeah, actually, it's a good way of preserving the various snail species, and to my opinion, it's a good method of sustainable exploitation of natural resources.
Yeah. Very easy.
no more fish now.
Good afternoon.
Ah, Nyaga, my son.
Yes, mommy.
How's it?
I'm fine, man.
So tell us, how did it go?
Well, I'm done with the interview and I got the job.
Nyaga, my son. No more poverty.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I saw after my own heart. Nyaga. Nyaga.
Thank you.
Wow, this really called for celebration.
That's true, my sister.
Girlfriend.
You do something. Yeah. So much.
I'll talk to you later, boy. So, how do you go at the snail farm?
First, I'm happy about your retirement. I'm actually happy.
Well, my brother, thank you. You know, many years of being in the house without any job.
Yeah, I suppose so. Actually, the adventure in the snails farm was good, and
Okay.
I'm happy they accepted the initiative.
Okay, I'm
It's
happy
quite
too.
good,
I'm
yeah.
happy too. You know, that guy could be naughty at times.
Yeah.